Top stories from around the island. To the point. Without the fluff. Puerto Rico headline news. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification.
Hello and thanks for watching. This is Puerto Rico headline news for February 25th, 2020. The El Vocero newspaper, local newspaper here in Puerto Rico, has reported that a task force is being created to fight against a possible coronavirus outbreak here in Puerto Rico. And that certainly is reassuring for us that live here. And let's see the reasons why this task force is good news for Puerto Rico. Today on the CNBC website that's covering providing live updates on the coronavirus, at 3:49 they reported that U.S. health officials say coronavirus will likely cause a global pandemic. It continues saying the coronavirus outbreak that shuttered commerce across China will likely become a global pandemic. A top U.S. health official said, adding that it's just a matter of time before the outbreak starts spreading in the U.S., which of course covers or includes Puerto Rico. She continues to mention it's not so much a question of if this will happen anymore, but rather more a question of when this will happen and how many people in this country will become infected and how many of those will develop severe or more complicated disease. So certainly we see the seriousness of what's going on here and how it can be reassuring for those in Puerto Rico to know that something is being done. In fact, at 5:18, San Francisco declared a local emergency. San Francisco Mayor London Breed declared a local emergency even though there aren't any confirmed cases in the city. Very interesting. He continues to say, although there are still 0 confirmed cases in San Francisco residents, the global picture is changing rapidly and we need to step up preparedness, Breed said in a statement. He continues saying, we see the virus spreading in new parts of the world every day, and we are taking the necessary steps to protect San Franciscans from harm. So certainly we see how this mayor took action in doing this, even though there aren't any confirmed cases in his city. So we certainly can appreciate the fact that Puerto Rico, the Department of Health, has taken the lead in creating this task force. So essentially what they're doing here, and we'll cover how this is going to work, the Department of Health reported this week that it has created a task force that will provide guidelines to follow and has developed an organized response between state and federal agencies amid an eventual case of the coronavirus were to happen in Puerto Rico. Now he added that the protocol guides for surveillance and reporting of coronaviruses were sent to all the hospitals, and they have instructions on what to do in case they do come across a case of the coronavirus. And down here we see that the task force was created by Governor Wanda Vasquez and the Department of Education. As far as the agencies that are involved, the Department of Education, the Department of Corrections, the State Bureau of Emergency Management and Disaster Management, Medical Emergencies, the Public Security Bureau, among others, participated in the first meeting that was held earlier this week. So it's certainly very reassuring. For those that are here in Puerto Rico, we might not understand the local Spanish news stations or even the local papers. So this is essentially the latest news regarding the preparedness that's taken place here in Puerto Rico in case a coronavirus case were to appear. So certainly some good steps in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Please support this channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing our content. We look forward to providing a live English-based newscast in the near future for Puerto Rico Headline News.